Okay, hello. We're back with another video. This is a Unserious unboxing event with Jessie. We've had our very old machine here since Monroe. She has suffered in a car accident as well, as you can see. So now, we're going to retire her. How excited are you?
Very.
Come on over, sir. Gonna do a twirl? A twirl? Do you wanna do spirit fingers? Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's actually so heavy. Oh my god. Yep. Okay. Okay, we have ta-da! Ta-da! Riveting video footage.
It's just a little too late, a little too wrong, and I can't wait. But you know all the right things to say. You know it's just a little too late. You say you